morning. Welcome back to my channel, Over 60 Scene. And today it's another beautiful day in Northeast Ohio. And I want to take you on a visit to Hinckley Lake in Hinckley, Ohio. It's in Medina County and it's part of the Cleveland Metroparks. And you may remember back when we were kids, there was a Walt Disney cartoon, or sort of a segment or part of a cartoon from the Wonderful World of Disney, where he talked about Hinckley, Ohio, and the Buzzards returning to Hinckley, and they have a pancake breakfast. I have to look that up. I'm sure I can find it somewhere on the internet. But anyway, so that's where we're going today. We're going to Hinckley Reservation, which is a 87-acre lake. It has a dam and a spillway, and recently the dam was refurbished or reconstructed to, bring it up to date because it was 100 years old. And they also have, it's a good fishing lake. They have largemouth bass, trout, rainbow trout, and I think they said bluegills were stocked in there. And in the summer months, you can rent, boats and you can take kayaks out and, all the normal things that we like to do on lakes. And there's picnic grounds. And there's even some ledges that you can climb on. That's going to be a video of mine for maybe another day. So anyway, come along with me and we'll enjoy several hours out in nature and explore Hinckley Lake. The sun is bright.
I ain't going in there.
You're not?
If you fell into it.
You want to be in my video?
Huh?
You want to be in my video? And here's my friend Paula. Two retired buddies that like to go on adventures together.
Beautiful. I love the trees, the white bark.
Oh, birch?
Right there, yeah.
Yeah.